Hello, Miss. My name is Victor Zambrano. I have 37 years old. My activity is human researches. My activity, I work in my activity a lot years old, about 10 years old. 10 years, yes. I want to talk about I want to present my thing today. I want to think about the cell phone. Sorry, I see very good. Cell phone, okay? Here, cell phone. Celular, cell phone. Oh, cell phone, cellular. The cell phone is very important because with cell phone we have we do so much. By example, with cell phone we we call another person and every place in the country. In Chile, by example, for cell phone, okay? I call, by example, Santiago, another region, Valparaíso, Punta Arenas, Puerto Montt, etc., etc. But we can to call by application in every place in the world. By application, by example, WhatsApp, video, WhatsApp, Facebook Can, Skype, Instagram video, we can to talk the person in every place in the world by only phone and internet, no more. Okay, the cell phone too is important because with cell phone we can do every thing. By example, with telephone we can calculadora. We can to see video. We can hear the song. We can to watch the movie. With telephone we can the application the live. Okay, with cell phone is very important because we can do so much things. And now with the cell phone is a smartphone intelligent. Okay, with a smartphone intelligent we can do so much. Miss, this is my thing. I introducing this cell phone. Cell phone is essential for the life of the person because the life is more easy in the day. Okay, Miss, thank you for to hear my job, my work. Thank you for to teach the English for me or for my companion. Okay, thank for the work. Okay, Miss, thank you. Bye bye. Nice to meet you. I will see the next year. Okay, bye bye. Okay.